Okay, so finally I've started rolling out NothingOS 4.1 for Nothing 4a. And similar changes you guys will see on other Nothing phones when Nothing will roll out the NothingOS 4.1 update. In this video, I'll explain you all the changes what NothingOS 4.1 brings on the table for Nothing phone. So here I have my Nothing 4a and I received an OTA update of somewhere around 600 MB. If I go to the about section, you can see NothingOS is 4.1 and the build number ends with 1830. And NothingOS 4.1 comes with 1st March 2026 security patch. Now if I talk about the changelog, so here you can see they have added some new features, made changes in the glyph interface, few changes for the essential tools, visual enhancement, camera enhancement and general improvements and bug fixes. Before talking about all these things guys, if you find the content useful to you guys, then make sure to smash the like button and also consider subscribing. One thing which I really liked this time, Nothing have given options to customize the lock screen now. And if you see here, they have also mentioned about that in the change logs. So the first one is they have introduced the lock screen clock face from Nothing Phone 3a Community Edition. Let me show you that. So this is that new clock style which they have introduced. And you can also see now you have more options to customize the clock faces. Towards the bottom side, now you can change the size of the clock just by tapping on these toggles. But currently they have only given two customization options, to change the clock size, and the second one is to just change the alignment. More changes will be added in the upcoming updates. And if you see here, the layout have also been redesigned. If I show you here on my Nothing Phone 3, if I go to the lock screen, and here if you see slight layout changes have also been done. Previously we used to see the wallpaper text, but now if you see here, you have wallpaper section towards the left hand side, and after that there's an icon, and that's of depth effect. So many users were asking about the depth effect feature on Nothing phones, and finally they have added, but it's still in beta stage. So if I apply depth effect, you can see if I try to zoom in the wallpaper, the clock goes behind the subject. With a single tap, you can enable or disable the depth effect on NothingOS 4.1. After that, they have also updated the lock screen password page where you get to see the transparency which wasn't possible before. You can see here the wallpaper which we had applied can be seen now with that blur effect. A short break, TechieBee family. If you regularly wash your car or bike, you probably know how tiring and time consuming it can be using just a bucket and a cloth. So today I'm trying out Agaro Royal High Pressure Washer, which comes with a powerful 1800 watt motor and up to 140 bar pressure, designed to make cleaning much easier. First, let's quickly take a look at what you get inside the box. So you get the main pressure washer unit, spray gun, 2 nozzles, foam container, 5-meter high pressure hose, inlet water pipe, connections, and a user manual with warranty card. The washer comes in a compact black and orange design and feels quite sturdy. On the front, you get a simple on-off switch which makes it easy to operate. One thing which I really liked here is the built-in tire at the bottom, which makes washer very easy to move around without lifting it while cleaning around the car, bike or outdoor area. Setting up is actually very simple. First, connect the high pressure hose to the spray gun and then attach the hose to the main washer unit until it clicks into place. Next, attach the water inlet filter and connect the inlet pipe to it. After that, connect the other end of the pipe to water tap using the provided tap connector. You can also place the inlet filter inside a bucket if you want to draw water directly. Once everything is connected, just turn on the power supply, plug in the washer, press the power button and it is ready to start. Now let's see the cleaning demo. First, fill the foam bottle with car wash shampoo and apply foam on the car surface. The foam spreads nicely and helps loosen dirt and dust. After that, we use the high pressure water spray to rinse the soap, and you can clearly see how water pressure removes the foam and dirt quickly. Then we also did the same thing with the bike, especially around the wheels and the lower areas where dirt usually collect, and then washed it using the high pressure water spray. The cleaning difference is clearly visible. The washer comes with 2 nozzles, an adjustable nozzle for regular cleaning and a turbo nozzle for tougher dirt and mud. It also features an auto shut-off system which automatically stops the motor when the trigger is released, helping save power and extend the life of the machine. Overall, the Agaro Royal High Pressure Washer is compact, powerful and easy to use, making it a great option for cleaning cars, bikes and other outdoor areas at home. So if you are interested in making a purchase, link can be found in the description below. And after that, they have also done a change in the status bar. Previously, if you had 2 SIM cards, we used to see signals side by side, but now you can see the second SIM signals are below the first one. I'll show you an example. This is how it used to look before. After that, under new features, if you see, they have added a breathing brake widgets, which you can access by going to widget section, and here you have breathing brake widgets. There are in total 3 widgets. You can select any one of them, add to the home screen, and whenever you tap on it, you'll see this thing. Once you tap on it, the timer will start and you'll also hear a sound, and according to that, you can inhale and exhale. Good for focusing. After that, live update now works across scenes such as lock screen, notification messaging panel, and even glyph interface, which includes app like Google Maps. So for example, if I open up Google Map and if I start the navigation, here you can see a pop-up view in the notification panel, and the same thing can also be seen here on the lock screen, similar to what we have been seeing on OnePlus smartphones. After that, status bar will now display the dedicated icon of Nothing headphones whenever you connect them. I don't have Nothing headphones, so won't be able to show you guys. Later on, they have made some changes in the settings of essential notification, and they have also added a generative ringtone, which offers more unique sound and glyph patterns for ringtones and notifications. So if you go to settings, under glyph interface, going to essential notification, so once I enable that, now let me show you a few things. You can see a completely redesigned UI over here. If I tap on new rule, now you also get to see a description which says when anyone send a message from any apps mentioning anything, then the glyph will light up. Here also you can see the UI have been completely changed. And after that, if you go to the ringtone section, select any SIM card, you can see there's a new option called generative ringtone, which says dynamically generate glyph ringtones with automatic assignment to individual contacts. So this is another change what they have done. After that, they have done some changes related to Essential AI tool, Essential app, but I still haven't received the new update on Google Play Store. So once that update is available, we'll check it out and we'll explain you guys in some other video. Then moving on to the camera enhancement, now they say they have introduced a India exclusive cricket preset. So let's open up the camera application, going to presets, and here you can see we have a new preset. If you go to the preset section, scrolling towards the right hand side, this is that new cricket preset which can be applied while clicking photos. So if you click any photo, by default it goes to 7x. Clicking a photo, this is how it looks. Towards the bottom side you have nothing text, and towards the right hand side RCB logo. After that, they have also added the support of Playground Sync. So with a single tap you can import presets from Playground directly. So let's open up Nothing Playground. Going to camera presets, let's take this preset itself, tap on download. Okay, due to some reason I'm not able to download this preset. Let's select the other one, so we'll take this one. Tapping on download, tap on import, and you can see it directly opens the camera application and the preset is imported in single click. Also, they have added power saving recording option, in which screen auto dims during idle video recording to save battery. So this also can be found here in the settings. If you scroll down, you can see there's an option called power saving recording. And then they have improved the image quality. So about the image quality, I'll keep you guys posted because I received this device today and I'll be testing this device for few more days. After that, I'll drop an in-depth review of this device. Meanwhile, if you guys have any kind of specific questions related to this device, Nothing 4A, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.